Good day once again. You're welcome to our fourth episode or our fourth volume of our series, business series, which is 50 SBN. 50 simple businesses that you can do in Nigeria with little or no capital. I mean little or no money. That is to say, these are businesses that you can start when you don't have money. I don't even understand that you don't need to have money to start these businesses. Thank you. Once again, my name is Mr. Osaodeon Elvis Ahanon, popularly known as MC McTen. I'm a musician, an MC or a comper, and a business entrepreneur. First of all, before I continue today's edition, I want to quickly apologize for the noisy background. It's as a result of our office that is situated just at the middle, just inside the Otubu market. And today happens to be one of their market days, and we were thinking about doing the recording tomorrow, but because we need to drop something for our fans to watch today, we don't have a choice than to do the recording and follow suit so that we can have something for all our viewers. So please, as soon as the director of photography leaves this place, we are going to try as much as possible to apply our denoiser to see if we can bring the noisy background to its barest minimum. But we also here will try to be as much, we'll try to be as audible as we can be so that you will also enjoy the program. Thanks so much. So, like last week, we talked about five very important types of parts of those businesses, part of those 50 simple businesses that you could do that do not need much capital. And from number 11, like as we always do, we read the ones we did last week, we treat, then tell the ones we'll be doing next week. Thank you so much. From number 11, we had sales of phones and accessories. I told you how to go about that, told you how you can start without having money. You can even start by doing Aproko or Fire or China or thereabout. It's a very simple way to make money that you don't have to make money or to do business, even when you don't have enough capital to start. I tell you, if you try it, you will understand what we're talking about. We have number 12, which is the second one for last week, sales and supplies of laptops to computer accessories. I told you it's almost the same thing as sales of phones and accessories. Go to where they are selling it, their major hub of the business in your area, in your city, in your state. Stay there, familiarize with one or two suppliers, and go out there and scout for supplies. Scout for people that want to buy computers. And before you know it, you will also be supplying computers, and you don't have money to do the business. And I also told you about computer accessories, where you can be friends or be suppliers to those who undertake computer repairs. And those accessories, you supply them. Most of them stock it. When you supply them, at the end of the day, they pay you. The most important thing of this thing is you're cashing out. And when you're cashing out, business is going on. You can start to build from one level to another. From the 13th one, is sales of vehicle and vehicle parts. I also told you about how you can be a dealer route or thereabout, go to where they sell vehicles. First of all, you can also work with them as those who do the daily cleaning of the vehicles that are to be sold. When you work for them, at the end of the day, whenever sales come, there's a certain amount that is left that is paid by either the buyer or the seller to the people that are in the yard. This is usually referred to as the marché. And at the end of the day, when the sales are done in that office, I quite understand that the money is being shared amongst every worker. So somehow, at the end of the day, you must have something to take home. I also told you how you could put in your status new vehicles or new vehicles that come to your yard for sale. You can put it in your status, your Facebook status, your WhatsApp status, and those who are looking for where to buy vehicles, new cars or Tokumbo cars, will chat you up. Before you know it, if the business or the sales pull through, you must have been able to make handsome or very good amount of money. And at the end of the day, you are rolling. That is how it is. You keep pushing, you keep doing it, and you get there. For number 14, which was the fourth, we treated buying and selling of scrap vehicles. Yes, I told you, scrap vehicles, scrap mentors, they are almost the same thing. You go out there, look for people who abandon their vehicle. So, like I told you, for sales and sales of scrap vehicles, buying and selling of scrap vehicles, it's very easy. Look for those who abandon their vehicles, those who abandoned vehicles. Some people might just leave their vehicle in the road, expressway, because they don't have money to service or salvage the whatever happens to the vehicle. And you can negotiate with them, and they'll sell for you for a very, very cheap price. And before you know it, you go and sell to those who sell parts, and they buy it from you, even if it's 20,000 naira extra, 10,000 naira extra, 5,000 naira extra after your capital. You have made money at the end of the day. Even some people do what they do is, when they buy, they check the fault. If the fault is a minor fault, they will fix it, do one or two finishing touches like body touch on the vehicle, and before you know it, it becomes a whole vehicle, and they sell and make a whole lot of money. Don't come and tell us there's no job in this country. In fact, we have enough jobs to employ everybody. So, if you are waiting for the government, or you're looking up to your certificate, or they're about to get a white collar job, it's okay. I wish you well. But normally, a whole lot of people are making so much money doing this simple. That's why I call it 50 simple. They are very simple. There are things you just look and turn the other side, and you will not know that people are making so much money doing them. That is it. For sales and supplies, buying and selling of scrap vehicles. So that's for all of them that we treated, and then we also talked about which other one? We talked about let's see the one we talked about. Let's see. We'll soon be there. Let's get back to where we stopped. We talked about sales and supplies of electronics to homes and hotels. We talked about that. And seriously, this one is pretty good. I'm telling you. People who are there are some houses, there are some newly built houses, and the owners are just looking for how to stock the house or with electronics, with stuffs like air conditioners and television and so on. You can meet up these people, tell them and supply, and go straight to where they sell. Do the negotiation. Okay, there's a house or a hotel that needs 45 air conditions or 20 air conditions, and please, how much are you selling one? The seller tells you I'm selling for 500 naira. Okay, 500 naira. Okay, nice. Please, I'll be bringing somebody. I want you to tell me the discount you can have for me. And the person says, okay, instead of 500 naira, I'll give for 450. Nice. You go straight to the person that wants to buy and tell them you have supplies for 500 naira. So after the whole sales, after everything, the 50 naira extra become yours. So it's very, very easy. Yes, it's easy. The only thing I find difficult is building it up. But you can start. And when you start, as time goes on, you start to build. That is where the issue is starting. And when the devil wants to hold you bound, like when the devil wants to tie you down, he make you feel there's no way you can start. Give you all the impossible reasons, all the nonsense reasons that you can't, ordinarily will not stop you. And they'll tell you there's no way you can start. And before you know it, you will be on your way to riches. Like I always tell people, Rome wasn't built in a day. You don't start a building from the roof, you start from the foundation. First of all, you see a plain ground. Then first of all, there's excavation, you lay foundation, and before you know it, the building is going from level to level until it becomes a finished building. But a whole lot of us don't want to start. We want to start from the top. We want to get there. Oh, this person sells computer accessories. That's what I want to be doing now. Oh, this guy made how many billions selling phones. That's what I want to be doing now. But you were not there when he started. And you are expecting to get the same result. No. If you are putting the number of years that he has put in doing the same thing, you will get results. If you don't get exactly the same result, you get something close to it. So don't tell us there is no job in this country. When next you sit down and tell yourself there's no job, come back to watch this video and you'll be directed on what to do. Thank you very much. That is for the first 5. We'll be going to the next 5, which is from the 17th. The next 5 simple businesses that you can do with little or no money. Like I told you last week, I told you about sales of furnitures. I told you about it. Sales and supplies of furnitures. I'm telling you, sales and supplies of furnitures is another gold mine. It's another very, very good business that you don't need money for. I am not telling you become a furniture maker. No. Even doing that also do not really need money apart from the money that you are going to use to sign apprenticeship with somebody, a furniture maker. But I'm telling you, if you don't want to acquire the skill of making, you can also sell. You can also supply new offices. They are called some of them are called interior decor. Those people supply furniture. Yeah. New offices, you know that the offices need tables, they need chairs, they need a whole lot of things. Where they hang their television, where they hang a whole lot of things. If you supply furnitures, you can key into that kind of business. It's not easy, it's not difficult. Even in the hotels, you can also function very, very well for newly built hotels. Supply beds, beddings, wardrobes, kitchen cabinets. A whole lot of other things you can supply as a person that is involved in sales and supplies of furniture. And I'm telling you, there are very, 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 very easy ways of making money. You can also look for that man who does furniture in your backyard, your street. Go there. Oh, sir, do you have furniture? Yes. Okay, thank you. I do something. I can help you bring somebody to buy this furniture. Yes. How much do you sell? What is the least that you can sell? Oh, I can sell this set of chairs for 150k. Simple. Oh, 150k. Okay. What we will do is that if they can sell for 150k, you can as well make it 170. Snap the pictures, put it on your DM, put it on your status, and begin to share it every day. Share it. You can put things like, oh, set of furniture for sale, set of make your sitting room a palatial sitting room, make your sitting room a place of class by fixing these furnitures. You just see 1 or 2 people who buzz you. Oh, my chair in the sitting room is really, really bad. Let me see if I can this one will be cheap enough. You will be surprised. Somebody will just come, oh, how much? 170. For real? There are a lot of people that don't know that things are cheap outside. There are people because they somehow they must have been duped before. There are so many people. Yes, you don't know, or probably they've been around people who buy things expensively, so very, very expensive, and they will not know that these things are cheap. Those people might be part of your friends. You put it there, and at the end of the day, the person sees the pictures. He wants to inspect. Okay, no wahala. Take the person to where the furniture is, and he inspects, and he likes it. There's a further bargain. Maybe at the end of the day, the sales end up in 160. So you still have 10k. It's free money. Now you didn't do the furniture. The only thing you did was to share it on your wall and probably talk to people. Oh, this thing is good for your sitting room, and at the end of the day, you have made sales. You have cashed out. That is what I am trying to tell you. 50 simple businesses that you can do with little or no capital. I'm telling you, sales and supplies of furniture. It's a great one. The next one, which is number 17, is painting. Painting, yes. Home or offices painting, yeah. You don't really need much. Just go and sign an apprenticeship with somebody that's a painter. Funny enough, most of all these things we have them on YouTube, how to paint very well. Go and watch it. Instead of using your data to watch 1212 comedy and waste all your money, why not use it to acquire some skills? YouTube can really do it for us. I'm telling you. Go to YouTube. At the end of the day, you will learn how to paint, and at the end of the day, you go there. You are making money. There are people who cannot paint. Like my office, I was trying to look for somebody to paint my office, and it cost me close to 15,000 naira to paint just office complex of about four rooms. So it's difficult. I can't do it on my own, so I have to look for somebody that does it. Funny enough, the guy who came to do it for me said he learned it on YouTube. Then one or two experience with somebody who's doing painting, and today he's earning money doing it. You're sitting there. Your father, your uncle want to paint his building. You will be helping him to look for painter. My brother, it's an opportunity you are throwing away. Yes. Do it for your uncle. Do it for yourself. Try it in your room. If you do it in your room, you will gain experience to do it and collect money from another person. Yes. Try it in your room. Go to where they sell paint. Tell them you want to buy paint. Get the brush, get materials. Look for how to do it and try it first in your room. Try it in your house. Before you know it, you've gained the first experience. Oh, when next you are going to do it better. Watch YouTube, and at the end of the day, you must have successfully become somebody who earns money painting. You can also manufacture paint. Go to YouTube, all those things, they are all there. How to manufacture paint. What are the equipments? Shikena. When you read them, look at it, at the end of the day, you have gone, you started making money. If you are manufacturing paint, you don't also have to paint. You can just manufacture and keep somewhere, and people will come and buy from you. Just make sure you have quality. Yes. If you have integrity, the integrity will show in the quality of the paint that you sell. I'm telling you, and it will show in the quality of job that you do too. That's very simple. So when somebody tells you, I am looking for a painter, and you have watched this video and you still go and help them to look for a painter, and you come here and tell me there's no job, my brother, God will forgive you. Oh, God will not forgive you. Yes. Because these are opportunities that you are seeing, and you just look at it and turn your eyes. I've seen painters become landlords, become house owners, vehicle owners. They take care of good families, put their children in good schools, and you stay there and tell me there's no job. We have a job in this country. We have a very, very fertile land, a land in Nigeria that is fertile for everybody to do anything that you want to do. So you don't come up here and tell me there's no job. I'm prostituting because there's no job. I'm stealing. There's no job. Oh boy, as I finish school, nothing to do. I can't do yahoo yahoo. My brother, you have jobs. There are plenty. So, please, like I always tell people, don't watch this video alone. Share the video. After watching, click the subscribe button. That subscribe button there. After that, you click the notification button. That thing that looks like bell. That one that looks like bell. When you click it, it will notify you when we are dropping our videos. We might not have been able to mention that area that concerns you. We still have a whole lot, 35 more to go. We are treating the next 15. And so you see that you don't have any reason to lose any of the episode or miss any of the episode of this this material. Yes, I told you there are up to 50 simple businesses that you can do that don't need money, that don't need capital. If you are a painter, you don't need capital to be a painter. You don't need it. If you can afford a phone and data, go and watch on YouTube. Buy paint, go and try in your house, in your room. Try what you have learned in your room. Watch 3 or 4 videos. Try what you have learned in your room. And before you know it, you become a professional painter. After putting in 2, 3, 4 years, you become a prizeable entity. You become a prizeable material. People cannot tell you how much you do. Tell me, sir, this is how much I take for this. Chicken. Like I said, like I always tell you, put in good work, put in good time. Before you know it, you're where you're going to, you're where you want to be. That is it. Number 18, which is spray painting. This is also almost the same thing as painting. Spray painting for machines, for equipment, for furniture, some set of furniture. It's almost the same thing as painting. You can learn how to spray. Yes. People pay you as a spray painter. Yeah. I have a whole lot of my friends that work in a company because they are just spray painters. This normal spray painter here. A friend of mine works in Mikano. What is his job? To spray. When they assemble the generator, and before they assemble, they are the one that spray it, brand the equipment. They are spray painting. Or that's what you also call spray painter. That after the job of a panel beater, those are the people that does the finishing touches. Yes, it's almost something like painting. That is also another job that you can do with little or no money. You can do it. Yes. Though it requires you to acquire the skill. Yes, there's a spray painter. Almost every mechanic workshop has spray painter. Yes. Go and learn. Write apprenticeship. Tell them, Ogasa, please, I want to learn how to become a spray painter. I don't think an average spray painting shop takes none of them takes up to 50,000 naira to recruit you. So, as a spray painter, you can make a whole lot of money. Every day, the demand for spray painters is increasing every day because people batch people's vehicles get batched every day. People want to change their the color of their vehicle. People want to change the look. People want to do body work for their vehicle. People want to refurbish that old fridge in their house. They want to spray it so that to look new. You understand? So that is also another source of employment. If you get involved with that, put in integrity. Before you know it, you will grow. You don't need jazz, you don't need juju, you don't need anything. You will grow. Just be consistent in what you decide to do, and you will grow. That is that for spray painting. Number 19, fabrication or panel beating. We seem to be revolving round this. Fabrication or panel beating. Yes. Panel beating are those people who, when they batch vehicles, those are the people who make sure the vehicle is, the body of the vehicle is brought back to shape. This one also requires you to learn the skill. If you learn the skill with little or no money, you have started working. We have a whole lot of panel beaters that don't have apprentices or apprentice boys or thereabouts, as you may call it. And these people, you can meet them, sir. I don't have money to enroll now, but let me be coming. As soon as I get money, I will come and pay and do my freedom. My brother, they are there. You are looking at them as if they are very dirty. They are making money. In fact, those of us who look well polished, now we know they make money pass. Those things you see they are dirty, so much money is hidden inside. I'm telling you, panel beating. It costs. I know how much it costs just to beat out a panel, a vehicle fender that was badly damaged, or to fix. Those are what you do. Also in fabrication, there are so many other things. People who fabricate those cake pans, they make so much money. Look at people who do cake pans. That's fabrication. They buy all these metals and they beat it into shape. They make so much money. That is under fabrication. Yes. You bend it, do it into shapes, and before you know it, you make so much money. Like I said, we'll be bringing people who are doing these businesses and they are making so much money. We'll be bringing them. Look at all those, if you stay somewhere around Benin, somewhere around Upper Hawaii, the other extension, as if you are going to a Biwi. They are there. You can go and learn and become a fabricator, cake pan fabricator, or any other thing that fabricates something. I'm telling you. So you cannot have all those opportunities, panel beatings and fabrication, there in this country, and you are telling me there's no job. No. That is another source of employment for anybody. In fact, if you have a fabrication or a panel beating shop, you have the opportunity to employ 1 or 2 workers too. So at the end of the day, you will no longer be a liability to your society, but somebody that is helpful. So don't sit there and tell me there's no job. No, don't say that. There is job in this country. If you key into fabrication or panel beating, you will make money. I know how much it costs. There was a time I was to meet a fabricator to fabricate my sign, but I wanted something different from what people are doing. So I wanted to discuss fabrication. The guy charged me 800 naira for one letter, and I was needing close to 35 letters in the write-up. So if he is charging 800 naira, probably his capital and everything cost him about 500 naira. That's 300 naira free money for one letter. Multiply it by 35. Oh, as the case may be. So he's already making money. He's already making ends meet. And if you are there until you're telling us, no money, my brother, look for anywhere around your city where they do fabrication. Fabrication, like I know, is when you beat metals to form something else, form any other thing. It might also be heating. You can also do casting. It's the same thing. Fabrication and panel beating. Please. So when next your brother tells you give me money, tell her, say, you don't watch 50 simple businesses that you can do in Nigeria with little or no money. In short, tell them to come and watch, then they will come back and collect tell them to watch the video and come back with what they want to do so you can assist them. By so doing, they will get off your neck forever. They will never ask you money again, unnecessary money. I'm telling you. So don't watch the video all alone. No, share it. If you share, your friends share, by so doing, you have touched a life. I don't know if you understand. You see people in the street begging, tell them, come, take, go watch this video. You go see one or two things. I'm telling you. Don't wake up and tell us there's no job in this country. No, there's job. There's job. Then the 20th, which is the last for today, is car wash services. Yes. Oh, a lot of us I can hear some people say, car wash, I need to get a piece of land. Can't get bow, can't get. No. That area you are staying, there are people who has vehicles in your street and they don't have time to wash. I'm telling you. They are looking forward to when they will be passing through passing by a car wash so that they can drop the vehicle for washing. And you are there. People have cars in your street and you are saying there's no money. My brother, you need deliverance. Yes. You can meet them. They will reject you, they will refuse you. Meet, if the first person refuses, go to the next person. If you go to the next person refuses, go to the next person. Keep saying it. Anytime you see them, tell them, sir, I can be washing your vehicle early in the morning before you go to work. So you don't end up driving a dirty vehicle. You can even go back to their house and wash it in the evening. They'll give you water. You do need capital for that. If they pay you, use to buy soap. And you need one, you get rag from your house. And car wash business have started. Mobile car wash, better. Yes. If you live in an area where people have vehicles and you are still suffering, my brother, there's a problem. So you can take up car washing services. Yes, car wash services. You don't need a land, you don't need anywhere, you don't need to have an office. What you just need is your phone. Hello, I don't come wash my motor. Simple. 300, 200 naira, that is money. If you do 5 vehicles in a day, that's 1,000 naira. There are so many people in the bank that don't earn such. I'm telling you, it's possible. Whether as a cleaner or something. So, if you are there and people have vehicles in your house, people have cars, people have every other thing that you could attend to, and you are here telling us there's no job. Oh. Tell that man, sir, I go feed the wash your motor. Instead we go to carry and go car wash. Car wash they charge you 500. Sir, with me I can be charging you 300. I wash and go clean past that one with a wash car wash. Yes. Before you know it, you can gather enough funds to take the business to the next level. Even if you are not even able to take it to the next level by gathering your funds, you can also maintain a simple bank. Like the bank I bank with, when they check the turnover you run in a particular month, they will call you to come and take loan. So if you are banking with a particular bank that helps SMEs to grow, then you have gone. You don't need to do rituals together. Car wash services, yes, it pays. Those people who take their vehicles to car wash in the area, tell them, Ogasa, hey, I can't be helping the washer. Once you park like this, I go wash them. The next morning, you don't see a car go work. Yes. If in your area you have 20 people that calls you to wash vehicle every day, do you know how much that is? 300 naira times 20. You know, be small picking anymore. So, when next you see somebody tells you, sir, I need money, sir, help me, show them this video. You show them the video, they watch it, they will come and thank you later. And when they come say, oh, I've chosen something I want to do, but this thing really needs little or no money, please help me. Somebody can also meet you up. I don't watch that video, but I don't think say I want to do fabrication, but we are for one go learn. I don't see money take do apprenticeship. Support the person. If you're also there, you find it difficult, you live around, contact us. You want to sign apprenticeship, we can also stand for you. You can go to the person, the master there about the businessman, and tell them, okay, please, we will support this person to pay his apprenticeship. Let him start so that we can see his seriousness. We can come in for you. Do you understand? Conclusively, those things that you're saying that people are doing, that you think you don't know what they are doing, that's what they are making so much money from. Those things you look and just turn the other side. Those things you see and just turn your left eyes. I'm telling you, that's what people are making a whole lot of money from. A whole lot of people you're seeing today didn't actually do rituals. They just built the business. And it got to a level that it started to take care of them. I'm telling you. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said, this is a well-proven business models that people are doing. Human beings are doing, not spirits. I've always told you, before the end of this 50 simple businesses of all the episode, we'll be bringing people who have used this medium, this model, these various businesses to better themselves, to better their lives. I'm telling you. And don't fail to share the video when you watch it. It will be selfish. After watching, or while you're watching, click the notification button after you have subscribed. If you're just watching for the first time, click the subscribe button. Then click the notification button so that you can be notified when we are dropping our next video. Like I said, we still have 35 more to go. We might not have mentioned that one that is in your area, that one you're even sitting on, that one that fell and hit your head and you went to chemist to take drugs. You did not know it's an opportunity. We are there, we are going to mention it. 50, don't worry. I have them here, they are already in my system, they are there. But we cannot be dropping everything once because the video will be boring. So we are dropping it 5 in chunks of 5. So let me run through what we do there today again. And before we go to the one we'll be doing next 5 will be 20 for next week. Like I said, for the first one, which is the number 15, we said sales and supplies of furniture. I told you, you don't have to be a furniture maker, you don't have to be a carpenter. Go to where they are making it, snap, update it, negotiate with somebody that wants to buy after getting the last price from your seller. And before you know it, your bid is into your bid is added to the negotiation. And you make so much money. So imagine you doing a sales of that gave you 5,000 and you do 5 in a month. You know how much is that? That's 25k. It's free money. You didn't do nothing. You only just snapped and updated your app or your phone. That is that for sales and supplies of furniture. The next one went into painting. I told you, you can learn how to paint on YouTube. Go and watch it. Go and buy paint. Do the practical in your house. That's your first experience, and the next time you go, you're going to be making money. The next one on the number 18th, like I told you, is spray painting. Spray painting, that's for sprays vehicles, equipment, and thereabouts. Yes, learn all those things on YouTube and do your first trial. You're gone. Or you can also go and meet somebody, because sometimes it's good to learn from theory. You go and meet somebody who does spray painting. Before you know it, you will learn and start to make money. Number 19, we said fabrication and panel beating. This one also requires you to acquire the skill. Go and acquire the skill if it's what is required. Acquire it. Go back, start practicing, and before you know it, you started making money. And in number 20, I told you about car wash services. Yes, if people own cars in your area and you are still hungry, you need deliverance. People have cars. Some family have 2, 3. Some compounds that has 4 tenants and they all have cars. And you are passing there and you are telling people that to help you, give you money to feed. My brother, it's deliverance you need. Something to open your eyes to see that those things you are passing by, those things you just look and turn the other side, they are all opportunities for you. Like I said, if you watch the video, share it. Those of you who have not subscribed, click subscribe. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. Click the subscribe button, click the notification so that you will be notified when we are dropping our next video. I tell you the truth. So many people are making so much money doing all these things we have mentioned now. And you might just think, oh, I lied, they don't know. They didn't do nothing. They just believed. And the first thing you need to do is to start, kick off, get up, move. Even if you don't know where you're going to move, get up. If you move, if you go out, you will see something to do. There's so many things in this country that makes money, where people make money from. I'm telling you. Okay, that's that for the 5 for today. Let us just quickly run through the. Okay, thank you. That's that for the 5 for today. So let us quickly run through or go through the next 5 that we'll be dealing with. Seriously, if I were you, I would just share this video. First of all, if I were you, I would just watch. Then click the subscribe if I have not subscribed. If you have subscribed, don't click it again. It will be unsubscribing. So if your subscribe button is still showing red as in subscribe, touch subscribe. But if it's showing unsubscribe and it's showing black, leave it, which means you have already subscribed. Then click that notification button so that anytime we drop our videos, they will notify you of the videos. That is it. Then if you have watched it and you keep it to yourself, that's being selfish. Please share to your brother, share to your friend, share to your contacts, so that 1 or 2 people must have watched the video and they will tell you thank you. I don't know if you understand. So let's quickly run through the next 5 that we'll be treating for next week, which is 1, dry cleaning services. Yes, dry cleaning services. A whole lot of people don't know that dry cleaning services make money. We will come and tell you how they do it, how they make money, how to go about it, how to source for funds to get industrial washing machine, to make your dry cleaning services very, very strong and formidable. I'm telling you. The next one is clothes washing, house to house. This one is from dry cleaning. Clothes washing, house to house. That is there. We have the next one. Let's see. The next one is just hold on, please. Okay, clothes washing, house to house. Yes, clothes washing, house to house. That's the second one. The third one is diesel stroke fuel supply. Yes, people are making money doing it. We'll come and tell you how they do it, how they get their raw material, how they get their supplies, how they get the market, how they get people they supply to. We'll come and tell you how to do it stage by stage, and you will understand it. Don't forget, these are all we'll be telling you next week. The fourth one that we'll be saying is we're treating next week. The number 24th is cooking gas supply. Yes, I will tell you how they do it too. How they do it, yes. We will teach you how to do it, how to make sure the risk that is involved. We will do everything, both the business plan to plan it and make sure make it become something that you will be proud of. Yes, I'm telling you. Then another thing is production gas supply. That's the next 5 we'll be dealing with. I told you last week that we have so many stronger ones below. Like this is the number 20. This is number 25th now that we just treated. Number 25th that we just called, that we'll be treating next week. We'll be treating from number 21 to number 25th. So which means we still have another 25 to go. My brother, if you are there and you have not clicked the subscribe button, you are wasting time. If you have not clicked the notification button, when we drop the video, they will not notify you. Maybe that's when we'll be treating the one that is happening right in your backyard. Because sometimes, let me tell you one thing that happened to me. There was a time I was so broke, and my next door neighbor, as in the landlord of the next house, close to our house, they just moved the top floor. The tenant there moved, and I didn't even know that. Only to come and tell somebody, see where you rent house, see house, a vacant house, you can make money. I didn't know. So which means I was just hungry for nothing until I got to know that referring people to come and hire an apartment, to come and rent an apartment, it's good money. So if you are there and you have not clicked notification button, you have not clicked subscribe button, which means when we are dropping our next video, you might not be notified. So I am telling you, click it so that next video we might be discussing something that is applicable to your area, something that you are just seeing, that probably you are marching by, you are passing, you are just trampling on it, and you are not using it to make money. I'm telling you. So try your best and click it. So that's it. For next week, like I told you, dry cleaning services, clothes washing services, house to house, we'll tell you how to go about it. Diesel stroke fuel supply, cooking gas supply, production gas supply. That is the next 5 we'll be treating. Once again, my name, as I told you, is Mr. Osaudion Elvis Ahano, popularly known as MC McTen, aka Pay Me My Money. And I want to tell you 50 simple businesses that you can do that in Nigeria that require little or no funds. It's for you. Keep watching, share to your friends. Don't fail to subscribe. Like I said, it's good when you watch it, share to your friends, share to those people that are always calling you for money, share to them so that they will be liberated, they will leave poverty. I'm telling you. Thank you very much. After this, we'll be playing a musical interlude. It's from myself, and recently people started saying, since you are doing this, why not play your music videos? Like, so that's why we have been doing it of recent. So you can also watch music. You can go back to McTen Art Television there, watch so many other things. There are many things. We have documentaries, we have music videos, we have making of videos, we have farming things. Go and watch. After you watch this one, there is a whole lot of things in this channel to entertain you. Don't forget, follow me on Facebook. It's McTen Art. Like my fan page is MEEKTENART, McTen Art. And follow me on Instagram. We will be there to watch you. Thank you so much. Peace. I'm out. See you next week. Thank you.